inputs amid the Parliament showdown. We are now learning that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be responding to the debate on the Constitution in the Lok Sabha on Saturday, the 14th of December. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be opening the debate in the Rajya Sabha on 16th of December. That is the latest breaking input that we are bringing to you. Let's quickly go across to Payal Mehta, who's bringing us those breaking inputs. Payal, finally, the Parliament impasse to now end as the Prime Minister and the Home Minister will in fact be addressing the constitution matter in both houses of the Parliament.
Well, it was one of the demands of the opposition, essentially saying that they wanted a debate on the constitution, and the government was more than willing to have a discussion because this marks the 75th year of India's constitution. So what we are given to understand by way of top sources is that the Prime Minister will be replying in both houses. Essentially, on the 14th of December, he'll be replying in the Lok Sabha, and probably on the 17th of December, he'll reply in the Rajya Sabha, is what we are given to understand. But, Rajya Sabha, which is the House of the Elders, where the debate will start on the 16th, that is why Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah is expected to start the debate, is what we are given to understand. It's going to be a debate to watch out for because remember, the opposition parties have been targeting the government time and again, saying that our democracies and the danger, the constitution principles are not being followed. So since it's also the 70th year of India's constitution and how strong India's constitution is something which, of course, the government is likely to highlight. In an earlier meeting, Akanksha, the Prime Minister had with the Council of Chief Ministers, even then he had said that it is the responsibility of each one of these elected leaders to actually tell the people of the country how strong the principles of the Constitution are and how they actually safeguard the interests of each and every citizen across the platform, irrespective of whichever caste, creed, or religion one comes from. So obviously, it's going to be an interesting debate to watch out for. It'll be interesting to see whether, who from the Congress party decides to speak on the debate in both houses.
Many thanks to you, Payal, for bringing us those extensive breaking inputs.